So in this video, I will cover week 5 deliverables for project B. Today we will focus on alternatives, which is also known as project, and mapping those projects to objectives, developing a mini business case for each of these projects, which includes cost estimation, benefits, estimated project duration, etc. We will also look at how to create strategic buckets for each of these projects. So let's start with the alternatives, which are also known as projects. Now here you will need to create 15 to 20 projects with at least 2 activity level projects. So what does activity level projects actually mean? So these are the projects that the company must undertake, but they may be the most expensive ones to fund. So to fund and operate these kind of projects, company usually create different levels for them. Here in our case, we'll create 3 levels for activity projects such as gold, silver, and bronze. So to explain gold activity level projects, they actually cost more and contribute to more objectives, whereas bronze projects cost less and contribute to fewer objectives. So now think of 2 necessary projects for your organization and make them activity level projects with 3 different levels. You can go ahead and add projects here and name them accordingly. For example, if you have selected vertical integration of battery production, this specific project as activity level project, now you need to name them as gold, silver, and bronze. So you can see the naming convention from this model. This is again the same model, Tesla portfolio optimization. And just remember that at least one project from each activity level must be funded in your portfolio, but we will cover this in our upcoming videos. Now for each project you'll need to create a business case. As you can see from this model, these are the elements you will need to cover: a business case, cost estimation, benefits, estimated project duration, risk estimation, risk mitigation, required resources. So just make sure to add all of these based on your organization and your projects. Now we need to ensure that each of your projects is actually mapped to the model objectives. So if there is any project that isn't mapped to your overall objectives, it should be removed or you'll need to revise your objectives. So you can map your objectives with alternatives from the contribution tabs here. So if you go here, define model, and go to contribution tabs, you can actually see your list of projects over here. These are the projects on the left hand side, and this is the objectives, these ones. Yeah, so these are the objectives. These are your alternatives and these are your objectives. So for example, you just have to go here and tick on the objectives. For example, for this project, electric commercial vehicles lineup, so this alternative actually contribute to these many objectives. So you just need to tick mark on these and make sure which of the alternatives contribute to which objectives. So now going back to the projects tab, which is also alternatives, where we have listed our projects, we need to add strategic buckets for them. So we include strategic buckets to make sure the portfolio is balanced, covering all the important areas for the selected organization. This also makes sure there is a well-rounded and important set of projects from each area, in this case the strategic bucket. As you can see in this model, we have 2 strategic buckets: time to market and strategic area. Again, you can rename your strategic buckets based on your organization and projects, so you can create strategic bucket from here. If you go to attributes, here is the place where you can create strategic bucket. So strategic bucket 1, it can be categorical, multi-categorical, it can be anything. You just need to select what is your type. for the strategic bucket, I'm just going ahead with the categorical one. Then you need to add the attributes. So what are the attributes? You can add category 1, category 2, and what you can do is you can go here and make this visible or not visible. So for example, you can see strategic bucket over here. So I'm just removing this from here. So if you want to remove, you can go here and just select on delete, or if you want to edit, we can edit it like this. You can add other attributes, or you can just delete it. Here you can see there's another strategic bucket which is multi-categorical, so you can even make multi-categorical, and this means you can select multiple areas from here. So here it is just diversification of portfolio, but you can select other attributes as well. And yes, one more thing, what you can do is you can add the cost option so that you know how much each project cost. It is quite efficient to include costs here. So you just have to go here and include your cost. This doesn't, so this shows, and you can come here and edit your cost. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll cover other aspects in the upcoming videos. Thank you.